Go down, and this is where everything. Okay, so right here by the center stand, it's gonna be the filter. It's got three of these, 3 8mm. This Angel oil drain bolt, 1 12mm. For the strainer thing, is a 19mm.
On the right side is the oil dipstick. It says in the manual to remove this before starting, but I think all it does is just make things go a little faster.
Okay, so what we're gonna need for today:
10W40, oil pan, long neck funnel, oil filter, 19mm, 12mm, 8mm, this, and ratchet wrench.
So first off, we can go ahead and get that set up, and we're just gonna go ahead and undo this counterclockwise, right? So okay, had to pause for a second. I need both my hands for this, but yeah, this motherfucker on tight. There it is. That oil is here, little copper. It's a gasket. Not sure if you can tell. Get this up. Get that one loose. And then right up here. Alright, damn. I think I got it loose though. Not the most room. So what we're gonna do from here, we're gonna just go ahead. See, it's already draining oil. Go ahead and take those out. Pretty sure these bolts don't have gaskets, but I'm not sure. Loose. All that. Right. Alright, so I'm gonna do this, but let's. Okay, there you have it. I've seen some people use like little pick tools, but as I've just shown, it's really not necessary. There's like a little gap in there.
As usual with new parts, try to match it up with the old one. Don't forget the side with the bigger hole goes in first. After checking back with the manual, I realized I'm missing a small O-ring gasket, but I couldn't find it, so I just booked it.
The oil out of there, but I'm not really stressing about that, so I'm just gonna grab this new one, stick it in like so. Okay. Okay. Just get these on. Oil. Over here, same thing pretty much. Hand tie this on. The gasket on first, then I get a new one. Right. Beat 10. Now for this, I'm just gonna slide this drain bolt right down here. I got her loose. Okay, after you knock her loose, you should be able to hand loosen it like so. Just remember the order here. Just get in line. Little pieces. Alright, I'll do it.
So what I'm doing now is cleaning the strainer and the cap, and I'm gonna put it back together. I'm using brake cleaner, but you could probably use pressurized water, but just be careful to not let the water back into this.
Pretty clean. So
Now you're just gonna push it up and hand tighten it all the way in, then finish it off with the ratchet or wrench. Double check underneath, and that's all there is to it. including this part to show you why you need a long neck funnel. So now we're going to stick the funnel to the dipstick hole and we're going to fill it up. Also make sure to have the funnel flip the other way around, not like how I have it. So now we're going to check on the side of the dipstick, 2 X's, and check in between to see where the oil level sits.
He's there. He's there. No, he's there. It's all good.
So after running for a few minutes, check the oil level, but be careful or you will burn your fingers on the exhaust.